Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to make this doggy shirt from my old sweater. Let's get started. Let's make a pattern now. You're looking at the back piece. Neckline, leg line, shoulder line, then side of body, then bottom. Let's get started. From left, take 1 inch, then draw a line vertically. And after 1 inch, take 4 inch, then draw a line. After 4 inch, take 5.25 inch, then draw one line. That's 5.25. Lastly, 3.5. Then draw one line like that. Then go back to the front. Now, on the first line, take 4 inch, then put the little mark on the vertical line. Then 1.75 there, 1.75, and another dot on the vertical line. From that 4-point dot, take 2 inch there. 2 inch. Okay? On the second line, take 7 inch and put little dot. Number 3 line, take 5.75. Then add one little dot. The last one is the bottom line, so you don't really have to worry. Now you connect those little dots. Okay? That's a neckline. So nice, smooth curve. Next, shoulder line. That's the shoulder line. You have to remember that's the shoulder. And next is leg line, but I'm gonna skip the leg line now because the side of the body is easy, just straight down. For the leg line, you don't know how big the leg you want, maybe big curve, small curve, I don't know. So the point to the end of the shoulder point, you make line. Then you're not gonna pass that line over. That's the kind of, idea. Okay? So you're not gonna go over that line. So kind of, small, nice, smooth curve like that. Then bottom part. You can do just a round curve, but I make the little wavy curve. At the bottom, I would like to make little straight line right there. Then wavy curve. This is half of the back piece, so that's the folding line. Okay? Again, this pattern is 10-pound Yorkie, smaller dog. And every dog has different shape. the chunky one, skinny one, short one, or long one. But if you know the basic, you can adjust the pattern a little bit. Okay, so I'll show you the shirt I made. Okay, that's the neck part. I already put the hem, so it's maybe hard to see. And right after the neck, that's the shoulder part coming. Okay, that's the neck. Then that part is shoulder. Then right after the shoulder, leg part. Leg, where the hem is. Then side of the body. That straight line. Then little wavy curve at the bottom, like that. Isn't it nice? If it's wavy, it's a little bit nicer. Okay? Now, front piece. Same method. Okay? From the left, take 0.25. First of all, you can draw the line like that and take 0.25 inch, which is quarter inch, and little dot and draw a line. After quarter inch, take 2.25 inch, then draw a line, same as before. That's 90 degree. Then next, 1.75 inch and draw the line. Line, dot, either. And next, 2 inch. Draw the line. Then 3 inch. Then 2.5, draw the line. Okay, next, the first line, take 3.5 inch from there, then put the little dot. Next, jump to fourth line, right there. Take 4.75 inch and put the little dot there. Then, go to the fifth line, take 3.5 inch, then put the little dot. Okay, first of all, the neckline. Small curve for neckline. It's not straight, it's not big curve, just in between. Okay, that's the neckline for front. Then shoulder part. Okay, that's the shoulder part. The second line, you took 4 inch there, right? 4 inch. That's the shoulder line. Next, side of the body. Easy one. Just straight down. Side of the body. Then again, draw the little line from neck to bottom, because you want to make the nice curve for leg. And that third line, okay, that's where the curve starts. Okay, That's where the curve starts. Before that, pretty much straight. Then curve after the third line, like that. And after the shoulder line, pretty much straight. Okay? It's more natural. Then side of the body you already done. Sometimes shoulder and side of the body, the length is a little bit different between front and back, but don't worry, material is stretchy, so you can fix it when you sew it. So don't worry about it. At the end, that point after the 3-inch point, then connect at the bottom. This is my old sweatshirt, and I'm cutting those hem because I want to use as a hem. It's easy because it's already folded. Take front piece from sleeve like that. This is the front piece. Then back piece from my back piece. You need one piece. Then hem. If you're making different sizes, don't cut the hem right now after you measure it. So just leave it alone right now. Let's sew them together. Shoulder to shoulder, front and back, right side together. I did overlocking, then make stitch right beside the overlocking. Okay? And the other side too. You have to start with shoulder part. I'm just showing you how it's done. Okay? Just like that. Now, attach the leg hem. The raw edge to raw edge and right side together. Obviously, leg hem is a lot shorter, so use the clip at the very beginning and end. Then whenever you sew them together, you kind of pull the leg hem, then matches the fabric, and just like that. If you don't have the serger, use zigzag stitch and make a stitch right beside the zigzag stitch. Then after that, don't forget about the top stitching. Now you can sew side of your body from the leg down to end of the body. Make sure the line matches. Use the clip or pin to secure, then sew them down. Now leg and side of the body has done. Now you do neck and bottom hem. That's the side of body, by the way. And if you're making different sizes, now is the time you measure neck and bottom, then cut the hem. Both ends you sew them together, obviously right side together. Okay? Sew both ends like that. and find the center point, center line, whatever, at least 2 points. And for the body part, same thing. You have to find the center point. Then you match those center point together. Again, neck hem and bottom hem is much smaller than actual neckline and bottom line. So whenever you sew them together, you have to pull. That's why you need to know the center point. And why hem is shorter than actual measurement? That's because if you're using same length as actual neck length, the neck is standing up and looks a little bit silly. So always shorter. This is the neck part. It's done. So the bottom hem, same thing. Find the center for actual body bottom and the hem, then attach right side together. Make sure the point to point. Use the clip and pin to secure. Then sew them around. Then don't forget about the top stitching. Again, every dog is different. Long, small, chubby, skinny. So first time you want to try to make this shirt, just use the junky old t-shirt or whatever. Okay? Then adjust little by little. If you have old t-shirt or sweatshirt, why don't you try it? It's worth to try. Enjoy sewing!